Would you buy this $409,000 triplex in Moncton, New Brunswick? Let's see if it's a good deal. 194 Broadway is listed for $410,000 and it has 3 units. We're going to enter our purchase price into our calculator. We're going to put 20% down. Our mortgage rate will be about 5% and we're going to take it for 25 years. There is actually 3 units, meaning each unit is going to cost us $136,000. You'll need $81,000 to buy it. You'll have a mortgage of $327,000 and your monthly mortgage payment is going to be about just under $2,000. This one is full of tenants, which can be a bad thing if they are not paying market rent. And this building consists of 2 3-bedrooms and 1 2-bedroom. 3 bedrooms are fairly rare, so that's an interesting feature. You can probably get about $1,600 per unit for the 3 bedrooms and probably $14 for the 2. Putting the gross monthly income at about $4,600. That puts us at about $55,000 a year in rental income. Let's break down our expenses. The listing does not indicate if the landlord or the tenants pay heat and lights, so I'm going to assume the landlord. Estimated expenses are at $2,500. Net operating income about $26,000. Annual cash flow at $3,000. Overall, our cash on cash return is not excellent. Our cap rate is average, and our gross annual return is good. If we change this purchase price to $350,000, this would be a much more attractive deal. So I'm going to pass.